Student. Yesterday we discussed about acacia and tragacanth. Now we will discuss about agar. Synonym agar, vegetable gelatin, Japanese isinglass. Biological source: it is dried gelatinous substance obtained from Gelidium amansi and several other species of red algae like Gracilaria belonging to family Gracilariaceae. Geographical source: it is cultivated in Japan, Australia, New Zealand, USA and India. In India, mainly in Bay of Bengal. Collection: in the coastal area of Japan, the algae are cultivated in special areas. The poles are planted in sea to form support for development of algae. The poles are withdrawn from time to time and algae are stripped off in the month from May to October. The algae are dried, beaten and shaken to remove any earthy material adhering to it. It is then bleached by watering and drying in sun. The algae are then boiled with acidulated water for several hours. A mucilaginous decoction is formed which is filtered while hot through a linen cloth. On cooling, a jelly is produced which is cut into bars and subsequently strips are produced. Manufacturing of agar takes place only in winter season. The moisture is removed by freezing and thawing and drying at about 35 degrees Celsius. Morphology: color: color is colorless to pale yellow. Odor: odor is not distinct and mucilaginous taste. Shape: occurs in two forms: coarse powder or flakes. Second is bundles of translucent crumpled strips. Size 45 cm long, 10 to 15 cm wide. Solubility: in cold water does not dissolve but swells a gelatinous mass. Boiling water dissolves and 1% solution gives a stiff jelly on cooling. Chemical constitutes: it is heterogeneous polysaccharide composed of two principal constituents, agarose and agaropectin. Agarose represents the gel strength and is composed of D-galactose and L-galactose. Agaropectin is responsible for viscosity of agar solution. It also contains about 3.5% cellulose and 6% nitrogen containing substances. Chemical test: boil with water and cool the solution to room temperature. It forms stiff jelly. When mounted in the solution of ruthenium red and examined under microscope, the mounted particles acquire pink color. 0.2% solution of agar in water. Add solution of tannic acid. No PPT is produced. It confirms that agar. Uses: the gels of pure agarose are used for the electrophoresis of protein. Agar is used in the preparation of culture media. It is used as an emulsifying agent and in the treatment of constipation. Next drug is honey. Synonym: madhu, mud, male, honey. Biological source: honey is a viscous and sweet secretion stored in the honeycomb by various species of bees such as Apis dorsata, Apis florea, Apis indica, Apis mellifica belong to family apidae. These are the photos of honeybees. Honey is available in abundance in Africa, India, Jamaica, Australia, California, Chile, Great Britain, and New Zealand. Preparation. Honey resides Honeybees resides in colonies and produce honey and beeswax. Every colony essentially has one queen or mother bee, under whose command a huge number of employees exist, which could be mostly sterile females and in certain season male bees. The employees are instructed to collect nectar from sweet smelling flowers from far and near that mostly contains aqueous solution of sucrose, approximately 25% sucrose and 75% water, and pollens. Invertase, an enzyme present in saliva of bees, converts nectar into invert sugar, which is partly consumed by bees for its survival, and balance is carefully stored into the honeycomb. With the passage of time, water get evaporated, thereby producing honey that is approximately 80% invert sugar and 20% water. As soon as cell is filled up completely, the bees seal with wax to preserve it for off-season utility. Morphology. Color: pale yellow to reddish brown viscid fluid. Odor: pleasant and characteristics. Taste: sweet, slightly acrid. Specific gravity: 1.35 to 1.36. Specific rotation: +3 to -15. On prolonged storage, it usually turns opaque and granular due to the crystallization of dextrose and is termed as granular honey. Chemical constituents. The average composition of honey as follows. It contains 14 to 24% moisture, 23 to 36% dextrose, 30 to 47% fructose, 0.4 to 6% sucrose, gums and dextrin 0 to 7%, and ash 0.1 to 0.8%. Besides, it is found that small amount of essential oil, beeswax, pollen grains, formic acid, acetic acid, succinic acid, maltose, dextrin, coloring pigments, vitamins, and added mixture of enzymes, that is diastase, invertase, and enolase. Substituents and adulterants. Due to relatively high price of pure honey, it is invariably adulterated either with artificial invert sugar or simply with cane sugar syrup. Chemical taste. Adulterants of honey contains furfural, which is detected by phase taste. It gives instant red color with resorcinol in hydrochloric acid. Uses. It is used as sweetening agent in confectioneries, being a demulcent, used in cough, cold, sore throat, and constipation. Because of its natural content of easily assimilable simple sugar, it is globally employed as good source of nutrient for infants, elderly person, and convulsing patient. It is antiseptic and applied to burns and wounds.